Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Measure 1 tablespoon of dried herb per 8 Oz, 250 ml, of water and gather a kettle, timer, spoon, infuser, and cup. Choose herbs by strength and cut. Delicate leaves need less mass than roots or bark. Use a fine mesh strainer or tea infuser to hold loose herbs so you can remove solids after steeping. If blending flavors, plan ratios such as 2 parts mild herb to 1 part strong herb. Keep a scale or measuring spoon set available to repeat consistent results each brew. Heat water to 95 degrees C for herbs like chamomile and mint. Avoid full boil to preserve volatile oils. For tougher materials such as roots, bark, or seeds, bring 250-500 ml water to a simmer and cook gently for 10-20 minutes to extract compounds. Use 1 tablespoon per 8 Oz, 250 ml, or adjust to taste by 25% stronger or weaker for successive brews. Remember infusion versus decoction. Leaves steep in hot water, roots require simmering, and always cool slightly before pouring. Steep leaves for 5-10 minutes covered to trap volatile oils and preserve aroma. Adjust time within that window for desired strength. For decoctions, strain after simmering and let cool 2-4 minutes before serving to avoid scalding. Strain into a cup and sweeten with honey, sugar, or lemon to taste, or serve over ice for iced herbal tea. Store cooled tea in the refrigerator up to 48 hours in a sealed container and reheat gently or enjoy cold. Discard if off odor or cloudiness appears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.